Now, let me introduce the complete installation process of the Areswatt Rapid Shutdown System. This is the sensor unit of the shutdown system, which consists of two interfaces, the photovoltaic input interface and the output interface. This is the photovoltaic string intelligent sensing terminal, which belongs to the control unit. It can collect data from the shutdown sensor unit and upload it to the backend system. This is a microinverter, used in conjunction with testing to replace string photovoltaic inverters for simulation testing purposes. Now let's install the shutdown system. The clips of the sensor unit can be directly clipped onto the rear bracket of the photovoltaic panel. Simply push firmly to secure it in place. After installation is complete, we begin connecting the photovoltaic panel. According to the positive and negative pole markings on the sensor unit's photovoltaic input interface, connect the positive and negative pole interfaces of the photovoltaic panel. The photovoltaic panel side installation is now complete. Now we begin connecting the photovoltaic inverter. Before connecting the inverter, we need to thread the sensor unit's photovoltaic output cable through the control unit's PLC coupler. Then connect it to the corresponding photovoltaic input interface of the inverter. The control unit requires AC 220V power supply. The communication method consists of a wired RS-485 interface and a built-in Wi-Fi module. Control unit light indicators. The first indicator light on the left side of the control unit's front panel is the power indicator light. The second and third indicator lights are communication indicator lights. The rightmost indicator light is the shutdown system status indicator light. When off, it indicates the shutdown system is conducting. When the red light is constantly on, it indicates the shutdown system is disconnected. The red button can manually control the conduction and disconnection of the shutdown system locally.